Yo, so welcome guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to resolve this issue on a Linux operating system. So I tried installing phpmyadmin and I was getting this error. So I'll try to access the server now. So this is me inside the server. Just sudo, go to VL directory. So list, you can see it's empty. So I'm going to be creating a file called info.php. Ctrl+X. So yeah, that's it. Then I'll come to my browser here. /info.php. You can see I'm having 8.0 version here. So if you come and check my PHP version, I'm having 8.3 here, and my error says that I'm having 8.0. So what it means is that I'll need to upgrade this web PHP version. So to upgrade it, all I need to do is to input this command. Let me zoom in properly. So I'm going to be leaving this command in the description below. So yeah, it's done. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be shutting my 8.0 down. So I just need to come here and refresh this. So you can see our version now is 8.3. So let me refresh this. Yeah guys, you can see. So that's all for this video. Thanks.